Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install or download Zoom application here in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to bring up your favorite browser or any browser will do. And at the search icon, just simply search on Zoom app. Okay, so once done, click enter to proceed. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will be redirected to this different results here. In this manner, you need to go for the second options, which it has the zoom.us download website. Just simply click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, you will be redirected to the Zoom application itself. Here it has this, you can see three options that you can download. It has this download 64-bit, 32-bit, download ARM64. So it depends on what your computer is in. In my case, I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to this first option. Just simply click on that, and the moment you click that, you will be redirected to the startup, this download icons. Okay, just have to wait until it's done. Okay, so it only contains a 108 megabyte size in your computer, which is good since it will not affect the performance of your computer. And one thing about this Zoom is it has this pretty good features where you can communicate and just can connect to the other people, to your colleagues, to your classmates, since you can conduct an online sessions, meetings, or conference here. Okay, just have to wait until this is done. We're almost there actually. Okay, we have 7 seconds left. Okay, now it says here done. Just have to do a right click, double tap it so that you will be directed to the installation of this application. Okay, or you can simply click this arrow icon here to proceed. So the moment you click on that, you will be redirected to the installation of this Zoom app. Okay, just have to wait until the process is done. Okay, so once it is being installed, just have to close this, and then here at the search button, just simply search for Zoom application, and this best match will appear. Just click on open. Okay, so the moment you click on that, just have to wait until this Zoom workplace will appear. Okay, here it has this three options. You can join a meeting, can sign up or create your account, and as well as sign in your account. Okay, you can also join a meeting instantly. If you want to join a meeting here, just have to input the meeting ID or personal link name. So usually meeting ID goes with a name or a number. So for example, English class. So once this English class will appear here, just have to click on join, and now you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.